Tablo is your portal to free TV, delivering the best of broadcast TV and free live streaming TV channels to every screen in your home. In the following walkthrough, we'll unbox your 4th-gen Tablo device to show you what's included, as well as what you'll need for setup. First, you'll see the Tablo device, which includes up to 50 hours of onboard storage for recordings. Next, you'll see boxes for the Tablo power adapter and optional Ethernet cable. Then, you'll see the coaxial cable that connects the TV antenna to your Tablo. Next, you'll find the Tablo Quick Start Guide with helpful information and tips for setup success. Below everything is the box containing the included 35-mile indoor TV antenna. You'll notice that this Tablo doesn't come with a remote control or an HDMI connection. That's because Tablo connects to your Wi-Fi router instead of your TV, so it doesn't require its own remote and it won't take up an HDMI port on your TV. Tablo is a whole home device that connects to your Wi-Fi router, so you can enjoy your free TV content throughout your home using Tablo apps on your existing mobile devices, streaming media players, and smart TVs. Once the Tablo hardware has been set up and the free Tablo apps have been downloaded on your viewing devices, you simply grab your existing remote or mobile device to control your Tablo and enjoy free TV your way. To set up your Tablo Total System, you'll need a supported iOS or Android device connected to your home's Wi-Fi network, the Tablo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, a Wi-Fi router with internet access, and access to broadcast TV signals. Have questions or comments about Tablo? We're here to help. Our customers are very important to us, and we offer many ways to find the answers you seek in our FAQs, quick start guides, and knowledge base articles. To access these resources or to get help from Tablo users in our active community forums, visit our website at tablotv.com/support. There you'll also find links and info to connect directly to our helpful customer success team through email, phone, or live chat. Discover the world of free TV with Tablo today.